The feeling before was it consumed my life.
You start looking, when you go places, where's the nearest bathroom? You want to be seated close to the bathroom.
I would go maybe through, like I would get up and I wouldn't make it to the bathroom, so I'd have to change my pajamas. So I'd go through maybe sometimes, 2 or 3 a day.
I would buy 2 pants that looked alike. So if I had an accident at work, I would just go to the bathroom and change into my second pair of pants and nobody would ever know. I told them what I've been practicing just to make it through work to feel normal. And then you kind of go down that road, and then age kicks in, work kicks in, the mother stuff kicks in. You just forget about yourself and you take care of everything else around you. The next thing you know, you're starting to wear a pad.
Then when you wear the pad or whatever, then you have hygiene problems. And so it consumed my life.
To date, I'm very happy with the results that I've got from EMSELLA. It doesn't hurt. I don't know how you would describe that.
It doesn't really hurt or feel good or anything. It's just there. It's wonderful. I don't know how it works, but it does.
I don't have dribbles anymore. And when you're out in public, I can make it to the bathroom without dribbles, if that's what you want to call it.
And now, as a matter of fact, the only problem I have is I don't think about it. So sometimes I wait too long to think about it. And then I think, but I make it.
I'm very happy on that part.
The EMSELLA has changed my life for the better.